Hello student, welcome back my dear student. Today we are going to solve the exercise of the chapter kinds of noun. Okay, and here is the sum of the exercise and we try to solve it with the carefully. So first exercise is identify the nouns in these sentences. Copy the table in your notebook and complete it. Follow the example. Okay, it means here is the give a example and make a there are four column and each column has a noun like a proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. And here is the given sum of the sentences. We are put out the some noun words and classify it and then fill in the below of the their column. Okay, so first sentence is patience is virtue. Okay, patience is virtue. Then patience is a abstract noun and virtue is also abstract noun. Then put out both are the word and write down in the column abstract noun like a patience and virtue. Okay, so just like that we are also put out the sum of the words of noun and write down in the column of their proper noun. Okay, so let's begin it. Second is I saw a herd of cows in the meadow. So here is the herd of cows, it is the collective noun, and meadow is the common noun. So you write down meadow in a common noun column and herd of cows write down in the collective noun word. Okay, here is the Himalayas is a proper noun, so write down in the proper noun column. And north of India, it is the proper noun, it's also a proper noun, so write down it in proper noun. In the second, crew is a collective noun word, so write down in the collective noun column. And Captain George is the proper noun word, so write down it in proper noun column. Diversity and strength both are the abstract noun word, so write down both in column of abstract noun. Jury is the collective noun word, so write down in the collective noun column. Here is the guilty is the abstract noun, so write down in abstract noun column. Here is the fleet, sentence number 7. Fleet word is the collective noun word, so write down in the column of collective noun. And here is the next sentence number 8. Kalidas and India. Okay, India both are the proper noun word, so write down in proper noun sentence, it means in this sentence. Okay, now second exercise is fill in the blanks with the suitable words from the box. Okay, so here is the given a box, that is the yellow box, and here is the given some of the sentence and make the empty. So fill this empty and using the given box. So first is pull out that, it means tooth. In the first you will feel tooth of grass, it is collective noun. Okay, second is we hired a in the hotel, then we suit is the part of this phase, so suit in the hotel, hired a suit in the hotel. In the third you can feel the word gang. Okay, gang of robbers. Why? Because robbers make their gang. Fourth is unruly mob set fire to the police, so you will feel the word mob in the fourth blanks. Okay, fifth is be careful a pack of wolves. Here is the pack word, you can fill in the fifth option. Next is six. In the sixth, the hunter was chased by a swarm of bees. Okay, swarm is a collective noun word and it word is used for the bees, so fill in the sixth, swarm. In the seventh is I can see a tiger behind the clumps. Okay, clumps of trees. Clumps word is a collective noun word. Okay, 8. The rain up the flight of stars. In the 8 you will feel the words flight. Okay. Ninth is this troop. Okay, this troop in the troop here is the it will be E. Okay, spelling mistake. TROUPE troop. Okay, troop of dancer. And in the 10th, soul of Salmon swam past us. Okay, in the 10th you will feel the words soul. It's clear. Now here is the sum of the important fact. That is the sum of the, we can use the adjective word and make the abstract noun. Like here is adjective word we can form into the abstract noun. For example, bravery from to brave. Brave is adjective word and we can change into abstract noun bravery. Meek, meekness, equal, equality. Okay, in these you can see that we are using the adjective word and change this adjective word into the abstract noun. And in the second option you will see here there is the verb like a invite. Invite is a verb and we can change into abstract noun, making it invitation. Okay, here is the satisfy, satisfaction, punish, punishment, and marry. Marry is a verb and it will be a marriage. Now it is an abstract noun. Okay, and same we can use the common noun. Here is the common noun, we can change into abstract noun. Like a man is a common word and manhood abstract noun. And child is a common noun, childhood abstract noun. Champion is common noun, championship abstract noun. Okay, so look here and we can change this, fill in the blanks with the abstract noun form of the words given in the brackets. It means there are given some of the word in the bracket, like a just, population, speak, silent, and we will change into the abstract noun. Okay, so let's, first is just, then just will be just it in a abstract noun. The justice must prevail. Okay, in the second, populate is the word and we can change into abstract noun, then it will be population is India biggest problem. Okay, and here is speak is a verb and silent is a verb, then change into the abstract noun, it will be speaking is silver and silence is gold. In the fourth, perfect, here is given perfect, we must strive carelessly for perfection. Perfect will be perfection. It is the in the fifth, it is ultimately your, here is the give word decide, it will be decision. Okay, your decision. And here is the word clean, it will be cleanness, then you should insist on cleanness. Okay, next is 7. Here is the word loyal and its abstract noun will be loyalty. Okay, loyalty is the imperative to build a strong relationship. Okay, so we can feel the word loyal by changing to abstract noun loyalty in the option number 7. 8 is there any vacant, it is a verb and we can change into abstract noun, then it will be vacancy. Okay, is there any vacancy here? So this chapter has been completed. Now we there is a one left of exercise number D. Fill in the blanks with the suitable noun from the box. Okay, so let's begin it and fill the correct word to choosing from the yellow box and write down in their proper places. So let's begin it. First is, in the first blanks we can fill the crowd. The crowd listened in silence. Okay, you will fill the word silence. You can see here the meaning, spelling of silence. Here is write down. Okay, second is a swan. In the second you will fill the word swan. Okay, swan of bees flew out of the beehives. In the second blanks you will fill the word beehives. Okay, and third is William Shakespeare. In the third, you can see here in the box, William Shakespeare was one of the greatest poet of England. Okay. In the third, you will fill in the first vacant William Shakespeare, in the last vacant England. Okay. Fourth option, give Ravi. Okay, give Ravi a glass. In the second vacant, you will fill the word glass. You can see here, here is the word glass. Okay, glass of water. Fifth is a gang of. You can see here a gang word is here, gang of robbers. Okay, so you will feel it, gang of robbers. Okay, in the sixth, a litter is the word here. Okay, a litter of kittens. Okay, kitten word is here, kitten is playing in the garden. Okay, next is hockey. In the option number 7, you will fill the word hockey. Hockey is the national game of India. Option number 8, I like playing indoor game like a carom. You can see this word in the box. Okay, choose these words and fill in the blanks. 9 is, the teacher shouted in anger. Okay, when he saw the poor attendance. 10 is, he saw sympathy for the beggars. Okay, so all the exercises has been completed, and now here is the one exercise that was left. So you will do it by your own self yourself. Okay, and what will you do in this exercise? Find 9 abstract noun. Okay, you will find 9 abstract noun from this box. Okay, and grid them and circle them. Okay, from words grids, there is the given a grids, and you will circle them or cover them to change select the words like this. Okay, so now your chapter number 4 has been completed, and its exercise also has been completed. So you will complete your copies and read this chapter again and revise it. And also I want to you that you will learn it with care, with carefully thought. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.